Hello?
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 Yeah, who's this?
Yeah, I saw your ad for a motorcycle.
Yeah?
I want a motorcycle.
Okay.
Hello?
Hello?
Yeah. So do you have you have the motorcycle?
Yeah?
Oh, good. So, when am I gonna get it?
When you want it.
Oh, when? Oh, now? I want it now.
Okay. Which one do you want?
Well, you had a couple of them up. What do you have left?
I got the XR80.
Yeah. And is that the only one you have available?
Well, yeah, I got a race bike available too, road racer.
Yeah, I'm a racer. I like racing.
Where are you calling from?
I live in California.
Yeah, what city?
Sun City?
You live in Sun City?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, and I like motorcycles.
Okay.
Yeah. So can I have it today?
Yeah, you got the money, you got the cash, or what?
Yeah, I have the cash. Do you have the stuff?
Yeah.
Oh boy. Okay. So how are we gonna do this?
Well, you have to come over and pick it up.
I was thinking you would come you'd give me it.
No, that's okay.
No, well, you could come bring it to me, and I would have the motorcycle, and I'd have the money.
No.
Hello.
Thanks for calling.
Well, you don't gonna give me the. Hung up.